Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious waffle sandwich. First, gather your ingredients and preheat your waffle iron to the recommended temperature. This ensures your waffles cook evenly and become perfectly crispy. Think about your favorite sweet or savory fillings, as these will make your sandwich unique. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process smooth and enjoyable, leading to a fantastic meal. Now, let's prepare the waffles themselves. Mix your batter thoroughly, ensuring there are no lumps for a smooth texture. Before adding batter, lightly grease your preheated waffle iron to prevent sticking and ensure easy removal. Pour about 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of batter per waffle, depending on your iron's size. Close the lid and cook until golden brown, usually for 3 to 5 minutes. Once your waffles are cooked, it's time for the fun part, assembly. Place one warm waffle on a plate ready to be layered. Now, add your favorite fillings. This could be anything from ham and cheese to fruit and cream. Spread them evenly, leaving a small border. Finally, gently place a second waffle on top, creating your sandwich. You can make several at once for group. For the final step, place your assembled waffle sandwich back into the preheated waffle iron. Close the lid and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, or until the waffles are golden brown and the fillings are warm and melty. This step crisps the outside and brings all the flavors together. Carefully remove your delicious creation and serve it immediately. Enjoy your homemade waffle sandwich.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.